In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dimension in 3D model, AutoCAD. If you've ever tried to dimension a 3D model and found that the X and Y dimensions come in fine, but the height reads as 0, don't worry, you're not doing anything wrong. In 3D, AutoCAD reports dimensions relative to the current user coordinate system, or UCE. If your UCS isn't aligned to the face you're measuring, the dimension tool is effectively looking at the wrong plane, which is why height can show up as 0. The fix is simple. Align the UCS to the face that actually shows the height you want to measure. Here's what to do. First, take a look at your model and identify the side face that represents the height direction, the vertical side of your box, or the face that spans from the base to the top. Now, in the command line, type UCS and press Enter. You're going to set the UCS directly on that side face, so the X and Y axes lie along that face, and the Z axis becomes perpendicular to it. With the UCS command active, use your mouse on the model to define the UCS. Click on a point on the side face to place the UC origin. Then, move along one edge of that face to define the X direction, and click again. Finally, move along the perpendicular edge on the same face to define the Y direction, and click. By doing this, you've told AutoCAD, work on this plane, so any dimension you place now will reference that face correctly. A quick tip, zoom in a bit and use object snaps to lock onto edges or corners so your axes align cleanly with the geometry. Now you can add the dimension normally using your usual dimension tool. Pick 2 points along the height, such as the bottom and top corners on that side, and you'll see the correct value instead of 0. Because the UCS is aligned to the face, the measurement is taken in the right plane and displays exactly what you expect. If you prefer, you can also place linear or aligned dimensions on that face. The key is that the UCS is already set correctly. Once you've placed your height dimension, it's a good idea to reset your UCS so you're back to the global setup. In the command line, type UX and press Enter. Choose World, or simply press W and Enter. That restores the default world coordinate system, keeping your drawing environment consistent for the rest of your work. And that's it. Align the UCS to the face, place the dimension, then return to World. Simple, accurate, and reliable.